Hi everyone, hopefully I'm streaming. Let me double check. As always, I need to go inside YouTube because I want to make sure that you can hear me perfectly and you can see me perfectly. So allow me just a couple of seconds. I'm loading YouTube on my other screen and it's not going fast. Okay. Can hear me perfectly. Okay, amazing. I'm gonna take out these just in case, and I'm gonna get started. Okay. Hopefully you can hear me. Okay, so welcome if this is the first live stream you see with me. It's live. I'm always worried about tech because I've been doing this now a few times, but still there are a couple of things that somehow crash when you least expect it. So, welcome. I'm Claudia Orengo from Carmen.yes, and you should be watching me through YouTube. You should be seeing a chat box, and if you want to communicate with me, you can write in there. It should be at the right of your screen, so you should be like seeing the video and on the right the chat. So feel free to write there. Catherine confirmed you can hear me. Thank you so much. I appreciate this a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna close my YouTube to not get distracted, and I'm gonna tell you what I'll be doing today. So today I am going to be updating my website. This weekend I was in Bristol and I attended an event by Denise Duffield Thomas. It was so inspiring, and one of the downloads I had was I need to update my website. So on these YouTube lives, I want to share with you behind the scenes, how I work, my thought process designing. So whatever I am working on, this is what I'm going to be sharing. There is never like much plan in it. It's really live and it's really what I'll be doing. So I can't tell you what to expect. It's not going to be a tutorial, that's for sure. So I'm not going to be teaching you like step by step how to follow up, but it will probably inspire you and you will learn a few things on how I work. And if you have any questions, you can ask them on the chat and I'll keep an eye to it and make sure I reply to you. Because I don't see sometimes all the chat. I'm gonna open again YouTube just in case. Give me a couple of seconds and then I'm gonna share my screen and you'll be able to follow along with me. Probably we'll stay for about an hour today. No more than that, that's for sure. I've been testing it for a while and I know that after an hour I'm exhausted. So even if I don't finish, I won't continue after an hour, and I will work on it by myself another day because this afternoon I don't think I will be doing much more. So, okay, I have here the chat just in case. And Catherine asked, are you using WordPress and Elementor? That's right. I'm going to be using WordPress and Elementor Pro. This is the tools that I have installed in my website. So let's go and start. I'm going to make myself smaller so you can see my screen. And this is my website currently, okay? I haven't thought much about what I'm going to do. So I'm going to think live with you and feel free to give me any input, any feedback, any opinion you wish. But I'm going to be sharing, as I said, my thoughts with you. So I have my paper here to take notes. I'm going to move my notebook away and just have a piece of paper. And I've been thinking just a little bit. One thing I wanted to do was to test how it would be to present myself with a video. Because I am trying as you see with YouTube Lives, to connect more with video. I believe that when people get to meet me and they talk with me, they connect way better than with, an email, a text, etc. So I want to implement this more and more and more. And I thought on having some intro video on my website. I wanted to record it live, but I'm using OBS to live stream to YouTube. OBS, if you don't know what it is, it's a program that allows you to connect like multiple devices and do things like I just did of, making myself smaller and showing you the screen. And OBS takes a lot of, space or RAM or whatever. I don't know how these things are called, but memory on my computer. And I was afraid it would crash. So right before this, like 5 minutes before going live, I recorded this video. And you'll see I have recorded it probably 5 times or more. I don't know. You will see because I have all the recordings. Because I wasn't happy with the first one and then I wanted to try something different on the second one. So whatever. This video has been already recorded and I'll see how to make it fit on the website. This is a decision I've already made. Another decision I made was I need to redesign mainly the homepage so that when you land, you know what to do, you understand exactly what my business is. This is how it's looking right now, and there are a few things that I would really like change or delete or improve. So this is what I'm gonna start working on, and if I have time, I will move into other sections in my menu. So here's where I start thinking and making decisions. When I was designing websites for other people, I would give them a form that would question them a few things. So I'm going to ask myself these questions and try to answer them. And one of the important questions I want to answer before moving forward is, who is this website for? And definitely this website, it's for creatives, for artists, for designers who want to monetize their talents online. And lately, I'm so focused on digital products, selling instant download products and passive income that this is for sure what I will be like portraying and talking the most of. So this should be everywhere. And right now, if we read this, it's not very obvious. It starts saying, I'm helping creatives monetize their talents, and this is too broad. Saying, I love helping creatives make a living from their passions and talents. This is true, but I'm so specialized lately that I need to be more specific. And same with turning your hobby into a profitable business so you can earn plenty of money. All of these has to be more specific about digital products. So this section, I need to change it. I was considering starting with, hey, I'm Claudia, instead of, hey, I help, and then way down, because it's way down right now, presenting myself. So probably I need to think about the order. So first question answered, then second question, I like to imagine at least 2 types of visitors. The first visitor is the first time visitor, somebody who has never seen anything about me, or maybe they just discovered me, but it's the first time they really explore what I'm doing and watch my website. So it's for a very, very, very newbie in my world. And the second journey, or the second situation I want to imagine, it's for somebody who knows a little bit about me and they are just searching for the right information on my website. So I'm going to take notes of this. First, it's a newbie to my world. And the second one is, I can say like somebody who already knows me, and need specific info. Okay, so now that I know these two main audiences or main visitors for my website, I'm gonna go one by one and analyzing and thinking out loud with you. What do they need, so that I can decide what do I need to put in there. So a newbie definitely needs to discover me or learn about me. And I think, yeah, definitely. No, I'm sure that over the years I've moved from being more of a brand and I was just using the word handmade as my business name, and little by little I've started to introduce my name. So now on my logo you can see handmade.es by Claudia Orengo, and lately it's more about Claudia Orengo from handmade.es. So I'm pivoting from handmade.es to Claudia Orengo. So I think it's important right now to introduce myself, because I'm the face of everything I do. If you join my world, you'll connect with me. I'm doing this and I am the one speaking. It's not a team, I do have a BA, but the 99.9% of the time you will be talking to me, you will be interacting with me, and I'll be doing the things. So I think it's important to present myself to these new people. This is the first thing. Then tell them, explain, this is from my perspective. So from their perspective, understand how I can help. And then decide, this is from their perspective, decide what to do next. And from my perspective, what I want them to do next is 1, join my email list, because I'm so active in there. I am not active on social media. I'm now active on YouTube, but definitely the place where I interact the most, it's my email list. So this is where I want them to follow me. Probably then I would say YouTube. And then first step, join my email list. Second step, check my YouTube, because it's where you can find free trainings. You can see my training style, and you can, get impregnated with my essence. And finally, third step I would love them to do is explore or join my classes. Okay, so this would be the journey from the newbie perspective. Now, the journey from somebody who already knows me, I would say that the first thing they need to know is find useful links. So I'm imagining maybe it's somebody who has joined my membership and they are searching for the link to join, to access inside the membership. Well, they need to have that handy. Or maybe it's somebody who has been on my email list for a while, but they haven't visited my website lately. So they click my website and they need to, quickly find what they are looking for. Thinking about that second case, if they haven't visited my website for a while, or they have been receiving my emails, but they don't remember who I am, because this happens all the time, right? Like you join an email list and then you forget who that person is. So if that's the case, I definitely need to make sure I am, again, introducing myself and what I do. So they need to quickly remember who I am, what I do, and why they are in my world. Okay, I think this is all they need, because actually if they are going, they either first quickly remember who I am, etc., and then find whatever useful link they need, or they directly know, they remember who I am and directly find the useful links. I don't think they need anything else. Okay, so now that I have these very important things that I know they need, I'm gonna start thinking on my website where to put them. I think, as I said, I'm gonna start by adding in here the introduction. And it's going to be a different introduction. It's going to be more similar to this part here. So I'll probably reuse this and change the text. Then I will have, after that, a quick introduction on how I can help. And maybe I can divide that in a few options. I think I can give them, let's make a list. So options. Maybe one can be discover my digital products. Because for a while I wasn't sharing my own digital products, and lately I'm sharing them a lot. I am emailing every week saying what I've been working on. And I think it's working for what I want, which is to inspire and to be sure you know I am implementing what I'm teaching. So as a student myself of many trainings, I find it annoying when people are teaching me something they no longer do, or they have never done. Sometimes it's the case. I find it really, really annoying. So I'm definitely not like that. What I'm teaching, it's what I'm implementing, and I'm all the time creating new products and improving them. So I want to make sure it's in my website. So somehow I'll share my digital products as proof that I am actively still doing what I teach. The second option would be, if you are a newbie, if you have never created a digital product before, then I'll recommend you to take the quiz. And third, if you are ready to take action and grow your digital product store, then join Piga, which is my membership. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I don't know where I'll fit my digital products, but I need to think about that. Okay, let's start designing. So this is the preview, and I always have it open on one tab, the preview, and on the other tab, the back end of my website. I find it way easier to click here, and by clicking command, it will open on a new tab for me, and it's directly the editing backend of my website. So if you missed the beginning, Katrin asked if I was going to be using WordPress and Elementor Pro. So that's right, I'm using Elementor Pro, which is loading, and WordPress, it's the base of my website, but Elementor, it's the tool that I use to design the pages lately. Okay, so as I said, I'm gonna rework this. For sure, I will take this out, who I am, because this is gonna be the intro. And I'm gonna bring this up. Now I need a title, I think, something. Okay, I need to make this shorter. Oops, you know what? I'm gonna do one thing. Let's go back. Just in case, I'm gonna save this as a template. So, old homepage made November 2023. just in case I want to go back to it. Now it's saved in my template and I can go into moving things like I was doing. Okay, so on the top I have hello, I'm Claudia. I think I need to repeat this here. It happened to me not long ago that somebody told me, you're not introducing yourself. I was like, well, it's in the image. Hello, I'm Claudia. But anyway, I'll repeat it because we know that sometimes images doesn't load or whatever. So I think I'm gonna say, you know what, it doesn't need to be a title, hello, I'm Claudia, so I'm gonna make it as a regular text. Hello, hi, Claudia. And I like to use emojis, so I'm gonna search for the lady that says hi. Searching it in my laptop. Where are you? Here. Okay. Hey, I'm Claudia. I'm a graphic designer and a watercolor artist who loves teaching other creatives how to... No, so I'm gonna change this. So, I'm a graphic designer and watercolor artist who sells digital products and teaches other creatives how to earn passive income with doing the same. Does it make sense? Hi, I'm Claudia. I'm a graphic designer and watercolor artist who sells digital products and teaches other creators how to earn passive income doing the same. No. So, who sells digital products and teaches other creatives how to earn passive income. I think it's enough like this. I have some automations. If you like, I just typed, if you noticed, this semicolon and BR, and then it changed it to the code for BR, which is the break on a line. I automated this with this tool, Magical. You can watch on the first YouTube live I made how I do this. So, and I also have a video tutorial on my YouTube channel, so I'm not gonna go into this, but just wanted to let you know that this is what I used. So definitely I need to change the things that are like popping. I think teachers, it's not important, it's not as important as creatives teaching. So creatives have to earn passive income. I think this is the important part. And wait a second. There we go. So, hi, I'm Claudia. I'm a graphic designer and watercolor artist who sells digital products and teaches other creatives how to earn passive income. And if you just read the main, like, highlighted parts, graphic designer, watercolor artist, creatives how to earn passive income, I think I don't want to highlight who I am, like in terms of title, but sell digital products, I think it's more important. And I'm gonna take this out from here. Okay, so hi, I'm Claudia. I'm a graphic designer, watercolor artist, sell digital products, teach other creatives how to earn passive income. Okay, I'm happy with that. Everything else, I don't think it's necessary. I need to you know what? I'm gonna put here the video. So I'm gonna say, if you're curious, no, if you want to know more about me and what I do, check out this intro video. And the emoji to go down. And here the eyes. I like the eyes too. Okay. You want to know more about me and what I do? Check out this intro video, and then I'm gonna put here the video, which I need to edit and upload to Vimeo. Yeah, and I like how short it is, direct. Hey, I'm Claudia. All of this I need to change a little bit these things, but I will now in a minute. Okay, so let's go for this. So this is a feature from Elementor that I love. It's called Hotspot, and you can put these dots and then put some things when you move over. So I need to change these two because I don't like this text, and I no longer have this business. So instead of saying I always look horrible on photos, which is a little bit harsh on myself, I still believe it's true, but I need to be less harsh when you just join my website and getting to know me. I'm gonna say I'm really uncomfortable taking photos of myself, but I love this one a lot. Although it's from ages ago, I still use it. I think it's better. And then this one, I have another brand where I design custom wedding stationery. So this, I need to change it. I used to own another business all about custom wedding stationery. Now you can find my invites here. And then let me see, it's a little bit, let me break it down into, yeah, now you can find all my invites here. And then I'm gonna link to my Zazzle store, which is, this is my affiliate link for Zazzle here. I think this link, it's the one I need. Your public storefront. Well, actually, if I'm linking to my wedding stationery, I should go directly here. Okay. Let's do it like this. Where is it? Here. And I want to make sure this it's opening in a new tab. Okay. Updated. Happy with this. Now let's go for the video. Here you can see all the recordings I did before starting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trials. Okay, let me put my headphones. It should be either the first one or the last one. Okay, I think it's this one. I know you cannot hear it, but I'm listening to it. Okay, so this is the good one, but I need to edit it. So I'm gonna open it in QuickTime and quickly trim it. I don't need to edit much. So if I needed to edit much more, I would be using Filmora. This is the tool I use usually. But if it's just cutting the beginning and the end, I do it quickly with QuickTime. So I started and then I decided to start over. And I need to find the second. Okay, here it is, and the end. My smile. Gonna cut it a little bit more. Okay, trim. Perfect. I'm happy with this. Save. Gonna save it directly to Hardmade. And this will be intro video Hardmade website. Now I'm gonna go to Vimeo. I can take off this. Vimeo and upload it here so that I can call from Vimeo to my website and people can watch it. I'll need to create at some point a folder that it's, I don't know, about extra things, but for now I'm gonna upload it directly here. No, not bigger. Hardmade intro video. Okay, so it's gonna take a little bit to upload. Wait, it's way faster than I thought. That's good. And I need to wait until this loads, but for now I'm gonna copy the video link, put it here, go to edit, Vimeo, this is the link that I copied, and what are the settings? Autoplay, no, that's forbidden. Mute, no. Loop, no. Privacy mode, when you turn on privacy mode, YouTube Vimeo won't store information about visitors, no. Intro title, no. Intro portrait, no, I don't think I need any of that. And control colors, I will make it red and see. There's an error, but I think it's because it was still uploading. Hopefully it's because of this. Yeah, it's still uploading. Okay, so meanwhile I'm gonna move into more decisions. So I've covered this first part, which is you land, and whether you are a newbie to my world or you have already been in my world, you have a quick reminder of who I am. It says, hey, I'm Claudia, I do this, check out this video if you want to know more. Now, what is the next thing I decided I needed? So I said, if you're a newbie, you need to understand how I can help. And if you already know me, you need to find useful links, which both things can be combined. Okay, so I think I'm going to create a section in here that has, let's create the next section here. Maybe I need like, how many columns will I need? Let's start with 3 and see. But before that, I'm gonna create one that it's just a title. And I don't know yet which title to use. I mean, which text. Here are a few ways to work with me. Okay, let's take this. Let's see. Have few ways to work with me. I think that's too direct. Here's how I can help you. I think I like this one. Here's how I can help you. And then I can use this pick the option that resonates the most with you. I want to touch a little bit the distance. Is it working? I don't think it is. But oh, I'm not editing the one I want. No, I want to edit this one. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I like the spacing. Here's how I can help you. Pick the option that resonates the most with you. And then I'll have, for sure, 2 options. I've never created a digital product before, but I want to start, or something like that. I'm already selling digital, or I'm ready to take action. I like that. I'm ready to take action and grow my digital product store. So that would be join Piga. And I'm interested in, I need to, the third one, it's going to be about my trainings. I think that's what I'll do. Yeah. So first one, take the quiz. Second one, take the quiz. Second one, join Piga, the community. Third one, either join Monetize Your Talent, which is my free training, or discover my trainings. No, okay, I've decided. Really, this is me thinking out loud. Okay, first one, it's gonna be, I'm a creative interested in selling digital products, but I don't know where to start, or I need inspiration. Then take the quiz. I'm ready to take action, join Piga. Third one, it's gonna be, I need help with my business. So then I'm gonna invite them to join my free training, Monetize Your Talent. And then in another line down here, I'm gonna say, looking for something else, go to my everything page and you'll find a list of everything I do. So let's start with the last one, which is the easiest, I think. It's going to be a new line, so I'm going to do it like this. And now I have some titles that I think this is going to be useful. So I'm going for something else. Or the other help. And then a text. Nope, text. Saying, if you're looking for other trainings to either help your business with creative solutions or build creative, I will probably write this again, but something like this, business, check out my everything page to find all my offers. Something like this. Not a fan of this text, but the idea is there. And then probably a button in here. Button centered, which will go to hotmail.ds/everything. Okay, and the text will be discover everything else, something like this. And then let's go one by one in here. The first option I said, and I don't like this title. I need it to be different than the main title, so I'm gonna see. This could be one. I think I like this in bold. It's smaller. Yeah. Okay, so this would be the aesthetic I'm gonna use for each one of the titles. No, probably I'm gonna change it to, because I need longer. I need longer texts. I made it like this. Bring a heading. Go back here. I think this one is gonna be the good one. So what did I say? I see Sian John says, have you thought about designing for mobile first, then adjust for desktop? 70% are using mobile now. Yeah, honestly, I've never made the switch into actually designing mobile first, but I always keep it in mind. So having these in two columns, when you see it on a mobile, you see first this image, which I'm happy that you see it, and then you get the text and the video underneath. So these two columns are gone into one column. And every now and then I switch into, you know, checking how it looks in different. So here's what I was saying. You would see first this image, the text, and then the video. But that's a really good reminder. I tend to naturally keep it in mind, but it's true, I don't design with, you know, mobile first. I never made the switch in, you know, in my workload. I don't know. It was too hard for me to design with mobile first in mind, but I always keep it in mind, so it works. And I always check on my phone to make sure it's working. But thank you for the reminder. Okay, so coming back to the titles, I want this centered. First option, what was it? Pick the option that resonates with you. So this has to be written by the customer's point of view, and it has to say something like, I'm interested in selling digital products, but I need help getting started. Okay, for now I'm happy with this. Second option, I'm ready to take action and grow my digital product store. Don't like it when you have only one word. It's called an orphan. I'm ready to take action and grow my digital. Let's see if I change and yay. Okay. And then the third option was, I want to explore the possibilities to run a creative business. run creative online business. Something like this. I may go and change some of these words, but now for sure I need to make some getting started. This is going to be bolder so that you see it quickly. Ready to take action. I want to explore all the possibilities. Explore all the possibilities. Okay. Then what I'm going to put down here are the options, like the solutions to these problems. So if you're interested in selling digital products, but you need help getting started, I'm going to say, take the quiz. And where do I have a button to the quiz? Because I have it here. I'm going to check, but I don't think that's going to work. If I just put it in here. Maybe. Discover the best digital product and platform for you. This quiz will take you... I'm not seeing anywhere this is a free quiz. I'm gonna edit the quiz. This is the tool I'm using to design my quiz, and I just want to take the free. I just want to make sure it says free somewhere. Publish changes. They should update. I haven't updated the website, updated the changes yet, but if I update here, it should show. Take the free quiz. Okay, like it. Perfect. Now I'm ready to take action and grow my digital product store. Then you want to check out Piga. And I do have a newest mockup, so I'm going to change this image to the newest mockup, which is this one. Select. Okay. You can barely read the text, so I'm going to explain it. Okay, I'm ready to take action and grow my digital product store. I need some text in here. Has to be quite short to match this length. Check out my membership. Check out my low-cost membership. Passive Income Growth Academy. And I'm gonna add a button that says more info. I'm really not liking the alignment in here, but I can work it out somehow. For now, this should go to Piga, link, and then I want to explore all the possibilities to run a creative online business. I want to bring, I don't know why I'm not using this. This is good. I'm gonna use this. I mean the pink and the yellow. this helps, right? Like it's a title more than this, I think. Okay, yeah. Here's me thinking out loud. What is it? So it's all of this. Is it really necessary, all of this code? I don't know. We will see. Okay. Free class. Instead of this, I'm gonna say. You see, I'm starting to get tired, and it's been 50 minutes. I told you I cannot do more than an hour talking out loud while thinking while designing. It's too much for my mind. Okay, let's try to think this. I'm gonna decide later. I'm gonna for sure use this aesthetic, but I will do it later. Let's bring it down like we had it before. Just copy the image because this is what I want to be promoting in here. With the form. I need to write the proper text, that's for sure. But this will be the new layout, making sure everything fits and it's understandable, but it will be, hey, I'm Claudia, check out this video. Here's how I can help you. Pick the option that resonates the most with you. I want to make sure the whole column is linking to wherever I'm linking. But 1, it's I'm getting started. 2, I'm ready to take action. 3, I want to explore the possibilities. Free course, more info, or maybe, well, I'll change this to whatever I need, but you have these 3 options. Need other help? Well, discover everything else, and this is going to the everything page. And then all of this doesn't need to be, it's not necessary anymore. Delete. My favorite business model is selling instant download digital products. This, I want to delete it, but I don't want to delete it because I want to use this aesthetic. Promoting this, it's nice. Yeah, have you checked? Okay, so go back, Claudia, to your list. The third thing I wanted them to do was check out my YouTube. So I need to bring this up. Need other help? Okay, blah, blah, blah. Have you checked my YouTube channel? It's basically all about business tips for creatives like you and me. Here you can watch my latest videos, and here's the video we are doing live right now, my other videos, and I will end with this and delete all of this. Probably repeat again this. I think it's nice to have it. What's going on here? Because why it's not loading? Let me see. Oh, it only wants to be once. Is that it? Maybe. Okay. No. Okay. Let's bring it down again here. Take the quiz. No, it's just not loading, but it will. Okay. So I have clarity on what I need to do. I just need to take a rest for my mind, and then I'll go back. Recapping for you what I'll do. This I'm gonna leave it like this, just make sure the video is working. Here I'm gonna work on the titles and text. I think it's too busy right now. I need to reduce it and make it way more, easy to understand. Maybe I need to redo the images so they all look part of the same design, I need to think about this, but it's going to be 3 columns for sure. It's going to be these 3 actions: free quiz, you're joining my email listing here, join the membership, you're taking action, join this training, it's free, you're also in my email list. If you need other help, discover everything else. And then have you checked my YouTube channel? Here are some links. And then a reminder of the quiz, deleting all of this, leaving a reminder of the free training. I will then later probably work on my menu and make sure that the membership links are like standing out, just in case you are a member and you're going to my website and trying to find the link. But this is it. Gonna save this. Can I save this? Yeah, save draft. I'll save the draft just in case. I don't want to publish it yet. And I'm gonna check your comments. Have you ever used Figma to lay out the site first, then build? Yeah, let me talk about this. I'm gonna stop sharing, make myself bigger, and answer this question. So when I was designing websites a while ago, I started with plain HTML. Actually, I started with Flash websites. That's how I started. I don't know if you have ever heard of that, but it was an Adobe app. Well, Adobe bought it. It was a freehand app, I think, Flash. And basically, you were creating an animation. It wasn't a video animation, and you would upload this, and that would be your website. It was really fun, but absolutely not mobile friendly or whatever. This was before mobiles would have the possibility to go through the internet. Then I went into designing websites with HTML, just the plain code, CSS, and some PHP, and designing them from scratch. I learned Joomla. I tested several like weird platforms, ended up with WordPress. And my process when I was designing my website, since I was doing them in the beginning with HTML, was first I was using, I think I used Photoshop like once, and then I moved into Illustrator because I liked it better with vectors. And then a few years ago, maybe 2015 or so, I moved into Sketch. I loved Sketch. I used it for a long, long time. I was designing all my websites first on Sketch and then moving them to the site. So I was doing exactly this. But then Figma came, and this was like when I discovered Figma, it was after I stopped working for clients. My boyfriend, he's now a product designer and he does a lot of web design, and he works all the time with Figma, and he keeps showing me things about Figma. I'm honestly not familiar with it more than what I can see he's doing because I've never used it. I used once Adobe XD, which is pretty similar. Sketch, Figma, Adobe XD, all of them are quite similar. I loved Sketch, and I'm sure I would love Figma. I'm just not anymore designing websites regularly to bother to learn a new app just for that. So I find it way easier now that I already have the main, branding and structure of my website to just move things around live on the website. But every time I redesigning, like this one was redesigned in 2020, I believe. I do it in Sketch first, and then I visualize all the pages and the workflows and everything, and then I move into WordPress and do it. But yeah, I don't use Figma right now. You say I started with HTML, then Flash, then PageMaker, then MS Publisher back in the 90s. Yeah. And WordPress in 2014. Yeah, I feel you. I've also tried so many different ways. And I know people are loving Figma. I don't need to learn it right now. And if In the future, I want to go back into designing websites. I may explore it, or I may go with Adobe XD because I have the full Adobe suite and it's comfortable for me to stay inside Adobe. But I know it's like growing and moving so fast. You either keep up with all the news or you feel outdated. Well, thank you everyone for joining me. I hope you had some inspiration and you discovered something, you had fun watching me. If you're watching the replay, feel free to leave a comment in the video. I'll be happy to answer. And just so you know, I'm gonna do one more of these live streams in YouTube. That's for sure. Then later I will analyze if I want to continue doing them by weekly, like every other week, or if I want to move into other schedules or what I want to do. This was a commitment I made, a test. I wanted to do 6 lives on my YouTube channel to see how they go. Some of them have stressed me a lot because tech wasn't working as I wanted, but this one was fun. I had fun. Hopefully you did too. Yeah, hope to see you in 2 weeks in my next live. I cannot tell you what I'll be doing because I'll decide on the go depending on what's going on in that moment in my business. But if you want to, of course, check my updated website, it will be live soon when I finish. I need to recharge my mind. Maybe I will finish it later today. Maybe it's going to be tomorrow. But soon it will be live. Thanks again for joining me. Hope you have a nice day. Bye, everyone.